Hey, everyone. Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to choose the right iPad accessories on Amazon. Whether you're searching for chargers, cases, or cables, knowing what to look for can help you find the right product more easily. Let's get started. First, open your web browser, go to Amazon, and sign into your account. In the search bar at the top, type the specific accessory you need. For example, you can search for iPad charger. Once the results appear, use the filters on the left side of the page to narrow down your choices. Depending on the product, you may be able to filter by brand, connector type, features, price, and other options. Next, check compatibility before choosing a product. To find your exact iPad model, open Settings on your iPad, tap General, and then select About. Look for your model information and compare it with the compatibility details shown on the Amazon product listing. Make sure the accessory is designed for your specific iPad model. Now, take a closer look at the product details. Check the star rating, number of reviews, and any information about how many customers have purchased the item. You can also open the product listing and read customer reviews to learn more about the quality, fit, and performance of the accessory. Once you've found a product that meets your requirements, check the price and estimated delivery date. If you're ready to purchase, you can click Add to Cart directly from the search results when the option is available, or open the product page for more details. Before completing your purchase, double-check the model, compatibility, price, and other important information. And that's how to choose the right iPad accessories on Amazon. Always compare your options, verify compatibility, and check customer reviews before buying. Thank you for watching. If this guide helped you, please like and subscribe for more Amazon tips. See you in the next video.